loves, Lexie here. Welcome back to my channel if you are not new, and if you are, welcome. I hope you really enjoy this. After this video, you can check out my channel and see some other things that I've posted that you might like, and then possibly hit the subscribe button and become part of the fam. Be my loves, okay? My loves are my everything to me. There's 180 of you right now, and I'm loving every single one, so... Alright? Alright, so today we're doing the third video of our monthly focused little series for June, which is now being posted in July. Shh, we don't talk about that. It's okay. It's okay, guys. It's okay. So, I know these are a little rumbly right now. It's because I already took them out of all the packaging. But this is the box it came in. This is the MAC Brow Kit, and this is what I use today on my brows, my liner, and my lashes. So if you're curious to see how that came about, go ahead and keep watching this video, guys. Alright, let's get started into this video. So... this is the MAC Brow Kit. This comes with a Big Brow Pencil, Rebel Eyes Gel Liner, and Pro Beyond Twisted Lash. And I do have a little bit of mascara on, but I don't have any liners and I don't have any brows on. So, today, this is going to kind of be a learning curve for both of us. I've never even messed with this before. I mean, it's still in its box. And, yeah. We're gonna review. We're gonna see what happens. So, first, let's go ahead and just take everything out. Everything's all really nicely wrapped, which I love. I believe I did unwrap this when I hauled it. I don't remember if I opened the box or not, but the three products we have here, this is the mascara, the brow pencil, and the gel liner. So, first I'm going to work on the brow pencil since this month's focus is brows. Now, I am kind of working against the light right now. It's trying to go away from me, but we're going to try our hardest to keep it close. I'm going to use the product, talk about it, and then do my overall feelings at the very end. So, this is the Fling Big Brow Pencil, and the shade, maybe the shade name is Fling? I don't know. I think the shade name is Fling. And it's kind of a chubbier brow pencil, but it's like a medium to light blondish brown type of thing. I'm going to do one brow off camera, and then come back and do the other brow. Okay, so when they say this thing is meant for big brows, they mean big brows. I mean, this is some bold brow going on. Like, it's just a lot. I don't usually go this bold, but it's very, very close to my actual, like, hair color. So it actually matches me better than what I usually use. But I just never go this bold, I feel like. I don't know. Do I ever go this bold, guys? I don't know. Alright, let's just go on the other eyebrow. I'm going to show you how I did it. So what I did was I just took the point and I like outlined at the top of my brow and then went down the tail. Now my brow is not like perfectly shaped, but I always just like go around the shape. I don't really feel like my eyebrows have to be perfect. I feel like that's the one thing about me where I really just don't care that much. Like, my eyebrows are my eyebrows. Like, if you, like, obsess over them too much, you get them too big and bold. If you obsess over them too little, you, like, feel unconfident and just, like, it's just not worth it, you know? I'm gonna look down in my mirror real quick. So what I'm doing is just feathering the front by, like, pushing up my hairs with the top of this. And then I'm going to try to box off the brow a little bit. I don't hate it. I really don't hate it. But I'm going to save my opinions for the end. So what I did after I filled in my brow is I just combed through it with a little brow spoolie. Just to kind of like lay the hairs flat, kind of make it a little bit more natural looking. Okay, now we're going to try the gel liner. And it doesn't have a shade name on it as well, so I'm guessing maybe it only has one shade, or what the heck? Either it has one shade or Rebel Eyes is like its own little thing. Like, okay, how does this work? So it's like a little wing and there's a hole in it. I'm twisting the bottom, but nothing seems to be coming up. Why is this not working? Okay, I see the little bit of gel. Okay, I'm going to do one eye off camera and I will be back. Okay, so after a lot of work, I got one eye done and I really need to touch up my inner corner highlight. Because this was it was crazy, guys. Let's hope I can do this eye on camera because it took me like 50 years to do this eye off camera. And I think I have it in a straight enough line. But okay, we're gonna go for this, okay guys? Now, this product, this is really hard to use. I'm not the best person in general when it comes to eyeliner. Because I'm just really bad at making straight lines, I think. So, okay, why is this eye actually doing good? My other eye, I failed so hard, at least 3 times, but this one's actually looking okay-ish. I can't do that wing though. I'm trying. I get, they're even enough. I mean, this one is obviously a little more rounded on top. This side's obviously a little more rounded on top than this eye, but we're gonna have to do with what we got. Okay, so lastly, we have the Pro Beyond Twisted Lash Mascara. This is a very heavy feeling mascara. Like, is this like a metal tube or something? It's metal. I was right. Wait, is the bristles metal? That's not fun. Okay, I don't know if the bristles are, but I think we're okay. I'm going to apply this through my terrorized lashes. Hey, that's actually like giving them some nice volume. That actually looks really nice. Like I said, I'm holding my opinions for the end though, so we're getting there, okay guys? On the bottom lashes, this is like awesome. Faith is restored. Okay, I'm gonna do the other lash off camera and then I'll be back with all my opinions. Now that I have my hands covered in some black, I've definitely gotten into this to see how these things work. I can give my honest opinions now. So, of course, let's start off with the brow thing. I actually really like this. It matches my brows really, really well, which, I mean, the shade name is Fling. So if your hair is anything like mine, this is great for you. Honestly, it's a really nice product. It's really creamy, so it feels kind of heavy, and it kind of like mattes down on the brows. So it can also be used kind of as like a wax, I guess. But, I mean, it's really soft. I just don't know how long lasting it is because I feel like it might wear away if, like, I rub my face up against something. So, as long as you're careful and you don't have, like, a boyfriend or something, this might actually be nice. Something I would probably try is maybe putting, like, clear gel on top that hardens down a little bit to try to keep the color in there. Or possibly putting, like, a setting spray over it. Maybe that'll help. I don't know. But those are the 2 options I can kind of think of right off the top of my head. With the blending of this, I thought it was okay. It was a little harder to get the front of my brows because it is such a creamy pencil that I kind of felt like I had no control when it came to the front of my brows, where it's a lot more sparse and I want it to stay a little bit more sparse so it's natural. So it's just a little harder to work with at the front of the brows, but I think for the overall brow itself, it was pretty nice. And I love the color. Color's great. Now, let's talk about this eyeliner. I love how black it is. I absolutely love how black it is. That is my first and absolute, like, oh my god, yes. That is amazing. I like the concept of this eyeliner. I just don't like how it performed. Okay, so I love the concept of a gel just piping out on a little felt pen. Like, that's great. I would love that to be more of a thing. Like, why is that not more of a thing? Maybe it is, I just don't know about it. But I mean, I know they have like liquid ones on felt tips. I know they have like, you can get a kohl liner, and I know they have the gels in the pots that you can use. Like e.l.f. has a really good one that I used to use like all the time. But I don't really wear eyeliner very often because I'm really not good at it. I'm not good at drawing a straight line, man. I honestly, honest to God, it's hard for me. I don't know why, but it always is. I think it's because my eyes are so like round, like they bulge out a lot, and I feel like because of that, it makes straight lines look really bad. It makes it really hard to make a straight line, so I feel like I have to make like a curved line because of my eye being curved, and in the end, it just never looks good for me. This actually looks really nice, but it was a long way to try to get there. So, like I said, I like the concept. I love the color. Let's talk about the formula itself. I know it's a gel, but it's more of a thicker, like crayon-like feeling gel when it gets on the tip of this. It's very hard to work with. It's very dry, but if you go over the same spot like 20 times, it actually comes out looking really, really nice. Like, you saw me do this one. It really wasn't that bad, but like, I just seem to have a ton of problems with it. I don't know. It's me. Obviously, it's me. But, yeah. I just thought it was hard to work with, but I actually really like this product. I really do. I just need to play around with it more to try to figure out exactly how to use it. I don't know. Like I said, I love the concept, though. But, I mean, and it's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's nice. Another thing is, if you get this outside of your line, like on this eye, I accidentally like, pew, and like eyeliner went all the way up here. It took forever to get that off. Like, I took some major scrubbing to my eye. Like, all of my inside gold stuff, it was gone. I had to reapply that. You saw that. And it's just very hard to get off, which also could be a good thing, meaning it's like a really long lasting. And since it is a drier formula, one thing I run into with gel formulas is they can sometimes transfer because they are that gel consistency. They're not really meant to dry down, and because of that, it can be kind of hard to find one that doesn't leave black all the way up here. But so far this looks okay, and because of that drier formula, I think that's the reason. But yeah, overall, let's say this 9 out of 10. This 7 out of 10. Alright, this mascara. I was like amazed with this. Like, it feels so heavy. I'm like, oh my god, it has to be made out of metal. And it's like, it's metal. It's like legit metal. So like, so that was really nice. That was a good surprise. And you saw how it like lifted up my lashes, and it does some really cool things with it. Now, my lashes weren't bare, so it's not like a full like first impression with this one because I wasn't able to test it to its true potential. But there are a few things I can say about this. I really like how close together the bristles are. Even though it's really small, you can't see them very well. Because of how close they are, they really grab onto the lash, which helps put the product on each and every lash so everything gets coated, which I really, really, really liked. I also love how small it is, so you can definitely get those little lashes on the bottom, and you can get them nice and strong and voluminous, which it's kind of hard to do. Like, if you have a big, fat, like, wand, you're not going to be able to do very much with your bottom lashes because you're just going to get mascara, like, all the way down here. Like, it happens. Like, have you ever sneezed while putting on mascara and got mascara up to your eyebrow? Like, that's happened way too many times for me to, like, even consider it funny anymore. Like, yeah. It's a struggle. It's a real struggle. So, I really, really love this. 10 out of 10. Would recommend. I don't know the price of this individually. I will have everything listed below. Either the kit, I will have both the kit and the separate products listed below. If I can find the kit. And then with that, you can click on it and find out the price and stuff. Should have been more prepared. Should have figured out the price before I started this. But overall, like I said, I would say the kit overall, I would give this like an 8 out of 10. It's really not that bad. I really like the kit. Like I said, 2 products out of it were like amazing to me. And the other product, I think I just need to work with more to understand how to use it before I start like judging it completely. So first impressions, this is how I felt and this is how the look came out. I really like it. I think it looks nice. If you guys tried these products, go ahead and let me know down below. By the way, if any of you were wondering if I'm wearing a shirt, yes, I'm wearing a shirt. It's just an off-the-shoulder shirt. I'm trying to look cute. Okay, so I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you really enjoyed this video. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you liked it. And this corner, I think it's this corner. I don't really know how the corners work. One of the corners at the bottom is going to be my face. If you click on that, you can go to my channel, check out some other things, and you can also subscribe to me. Go ahead and comment down below, like I said, and hit that like button. Also, in the other corner, the upper corner, there is going to be a playlist of all my reviews if you want to review it up and see everything I've ever said. And then on the one below it, that'll be my last video that I posted. So you should check that out too. I'm also trying to revamp my channel a little bit. And don't worry, guys, that giveaway is coming. I promise. The giveaway is coming. Just put on your seatbelts, hold tight. It's coming. You'll be fine. You'll make it. I promise. So thank you guys so much. I love you guys. Bye.